How to add subtitles in VLC media player. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add subtitles to any video that you want on VLC media player. So let's get started. First of all, you can head over, open VLC media player and select the video that you wish to play and add subtitles to that. Then next you're going to click on subtitle here at the top left, or you can simply add subtitle file over here, or if not, you can click on view over here and then you're going to click on wheel sub over here. And once you do so, you're going to select the subtitle language. For example, it's English, or it can be any language that you want. So simply select that language over here, and here you can either search by hash or search by name. So you can upload the subtitles lists over here. And if you have the specific subtitle that actually goes on with the video, you can simply search by name. You can simply type down the title track name, and you can filter that by name, or you can simply search by hash. And here you can also give the name of your series or episode, and then you can simply download the selection, and you'll be able to notice the subtitles will be added. So that is basically how you can add subtitles in any video in VLC media player. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.